younger, I used to think that money will solve a lot of problems, and that is the truth. Yes, it did solve a lot of problems. It can give you security, it can give you more options, it can give you freedom, and it can help you take care of yourself and your family. So yes, money does solve a lot of problems, but not all the problems. And making money and feeling financially secured are two different things. And I have seen people जो लोग कम कमाते हैं but still they are financially at peace, and people who are earning a lot more but they are not financially at peace, right? So I understood with time that earning more doesn't make you feel financially secure. It's more about how you manage your financial expectations. बचपन में हमको सिखाया जाता था दैट स्टडी हार्ड, 12th पास कर लो, अच्छे कॉलेज में चले जाओ, गेट अ गुड जॉब एंड लाइफ सेट है. वेल, कुछ लोगों के लिए होगी, बट फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इट इज नॉट, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो दैट व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर व्हेन द मनी अराइव्स, राइट? लाइक पैसे कमाने के बाद, आफ्टर अर्निंग द मनी, व्हाट टू डू द नेक्स्ट, दे डोंट नो. इनफैक्ट आई वाज द वन, मुझे भी नहीं पता था दैट व्हाट टू डू विद दैट मनी. So the first thing is that even if you earn more doesn't mean that you are financially secure, because nobody teaches us how to budget things, nobody teaches us about inflation, nobody teaches us about investing. When the salary arrives, many people upgrade their phone, they upgrade their lifestyle, they make bigger purchases, and with this, even if they are earning more, they still feel broke. So earning more doesn't mean that you won't be broke. Second truth is money amplifies everything. Let me give you an example. ठीक है, let's just say if you are very much disciplined with the money and the day you start earning more, the wealth will grow much faster. But let's just say if you are an impulsive buyer, even if you are earning more, you are going to spend at 2x rate, right? Like आप और भी ज़्यादा money spend करोगे. So money amplifies your lifestyle. If you are disciplined, आप और ज़्यादा you can create the wealth. But if you are not, you are going, that money is going to vanish very, very quickly. So sometimes earning more is not an answer, but managing better is. Third truth is that the goal for most of the people is not to look rich but to be rich, and the ones who are spending more in looking rich, they are the ones who are the broke. Trust me, you might have heard this from many people, but that is the truth. अगर आप जितना ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखने में, wisely spend money is still fine, but just to impress others won't take you anywhere. Instead, more savings, more investment can help you be more financially free within few years, right? Like अगर आप बहुत जल्दी से SIP start कर देते हो, if you start investing in stocks and less risk investment if you are taking up, then 5-10 years down the line you will be more rich than the other person. So the goal is not to look rich but to be rich. And if मुझे अपने आप को एक I have to give the advice to my younger self, that would be don't spend more time on earning more. That's the second step. The first step is to increase the financial knowledge. I would have learned budgeting, I would have learned about taxes. मुझे अभी भी that is a headache for me. I would have learned investing. I'm still dependent on many people in my life to help me with the investment plans and stuff like that. Basically अगर मैं मेरे younger self को अगर कुछ advice देती, so that would be it. Like increase the financial knowledge first. That is the first step. And the second is to increase more streams of income. And the another advice that I would have given myself is that money is just a tool that can help me to create the life I want, right? It is not my life. मुझे मेरी लाइफ से क्या चाहिए? मुझे मेरी लाइफ से चाहिए कि मुझे ज़्यादा फ्रीडम मिले, मुझे फाइनेंशियल सिक्योर्ड फील हो, आई कैन फुलफिल माई विशेज़, आई डोंट हैव टू डिपेंडेंट ऑन पीपल, राइट? सो ये कितने मनी से हो सकता है, आई शुड नो दैट, एंड इट इज़ जस्ट अ टूल एंड I will treat it as a tool. So I don't chase after money after some point of time, but I will manage it, I will control it so that I can create the life that I want. And lastly, I think the craving for more money never stops. This is what I have realized, that आज मुझे मतलब पहले मुझे एक i20 चाहिए थी, but now I want Thar, and then I might want Fortuner, then Defender, I don't know what, right? So the hunger for more money is never going to end, at least for me. So better is to just create a life, and I will think that, is that money helping me achieving and creating the life that I want? If yes, then it's fine. If not, then I will work towards that. And after watching this, please remember that save money, invest more, be critical about money, and yeah, and don't spend your entire life chasing money. But I would suggest that create a system that works for you and build a life along the way that you really enjoy. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you really like it. It was a short impromptu video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.